Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast chart of the day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 19th of February around 10:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here we go with another chart of the day video. A chart of the day is a session here that we present on the homepage of Elliott Wave forecast. We technically every day we pick one instrument among the 78 instruments that we cover, and we do an analysis, a video. We do a video and an analysis explaining the instrument, right? So technically, that is the charts of the day. Today, we're gonna take a look at gold, right? So we go inside the site. This is the member site, the member area. We click at group one. Gold is part of group one. We're gonna look for gold here. We're gonna click on gold, and we're gonna get the latest update of gold. This is the latest update of gold, right? So gold, this is an X, this is A, this is B. After 7 swing put back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we expecting gold to trade higher. So this is the 1 hour, the latest update. This is the 4 hour, and the target in the 4 hour in gold is 53.39. As you guys can see, our members are able to get all the time frames, all the updates, 4 updates per day, and they can switch from one update to the other. Like in London, we were calling here, New York, we were calling there, midday, Asia. So that's how our website operates. So this is the latest 1 hour charts of gold. We believe that gold did 7 swing structure from the peak. Gold can trade to new highs, no question that, because it's corrective to the downside. But there is other market correlations that it put gold lower, to around 4,300. But for now, let's worry about the target. This is clearly 1, 2, 3. You can do the measuring, and you can see that gold right here, it went to the string, and now if you do the measuring, the W and the X, gold should go to 53.39. From there, depends on how we get there, the market will decide which way it goes. If it's gonna hold this low and trade higher, or if the market is gonna do a double, and let's say that go to 53.39, that the market is gonna do a double and go all the way to 41.39. That it will be a gift if the market is capable to do that in order for us to buy it. So for now, gold, now gold is showing 5 swing from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 right here. It should do at least a 7. If gold, instead of going there and go, let's say something like this, we recommend buying gold here because gold can trade to new highs. So gold is bullish, no question asked. It's in the correction. It's in the correction. And it should be reaching in the natural way 53.39. So otherwise, if it doesn't break this highs, it can go to 46. We would like to buy it there for new highs at least. All right. So that's gold for today. Higher against these lows right here of February the 5th, which the comes at 46.52 in a second degree. First degree is here. All right. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, if you like it, you can go to the homepage, take the trial, just 99 cents for 14 days. All right. Thank you guys for and have a good night.